Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use NordVPN on Linux, specifically Ubuntu. The setup is straightforward and once you're finished, you'll have a secure connection and access to geo-restricted content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the NordVPN website. Head to the download section and make sure you select the Linux option, since that's what we're using here. Next, click the login button in the top right corner and sign into your Nord account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one in just a minute. After signing in, go to your account overview and scroll down to the download section. Click on VPN solution for desktop, then choose the Linux option to download the installer. Once the file finishes downloading, open the terminal. On Ubuntu, you can press Ctrl, Alt, and T together, or simply search for terminal in the Applications menu. In the terminal, type cd downloads to move into the folder where the installer is saved. Now install the package using the dpkg command. Type sudo dpkg.i followed by the file name. Enter your password when prompted and let the installation complete. After that finishes, update your package list by running sudo apt update, then install NordVPN with sudo apt install NordVPN to make sure everything is fully set up. Once installation is complete, log into NordVPN from that terminal by typing NordVPN login and follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your account. To connect, simply type NordVPN connect. Within a few seconds, you'll be securely connected to a NordVPN server, and your Ubuntu system will be protected. And that's it. You're now fully set up with NordVPN on Linux. If you want the best available deal, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Enjoy the added security and the freedom to browse without restrictions.